Okay, a few of these Easter tips in a row. We've been talking about thanking young leading into Easter. Now I want to give you a little bit of a pop quiz. Are you ready for this? All right, say you're talking to somebody who's typically younger than me. Maybe you're telling them a story and they're like, man, is that for real? And you're like, yeah, I promise. And then they say the following phrase. Hey, pics or it, fill in the blank. Pics or it didn't happen. And here's what we know about this generation is they're the most visual generation in the history of the world. There's so many of the things that they spend so much time on, from YouTube to Facebook to Instagram, whatever it is, it's probably visually driven. And so one of the best things that you can do for your church leading up to Easter, if you want to think young and reach younger into your community, is put time and energy and resources into photography. I know it sounds weird, but photography is so important, okay? And I would advocate that your photo team is now almost, if not equally as important as your worship team. I know, that's crazy. There's going to be some people mad at me, but I would say pics or it didn't happen. All right, we'll see you in the next tip.